నాకు ఇలానే వచ్చిందనే.
So now let's see. So now it is created properly, right? So earlier it is created with double names what we have given. So it is taking, this is the entire directory, not apple is individual directory or mango is individual directory. So it's taken both as one directory. So now I have given proper syntax. Now it is created all these directories separately. Okay, these four directories. Okay, so I'm creating again mkdir -p. It is for to create subdirectories, and I just want to do test. Okay, so inside test I want to create few fruits. Let's open brackets, then fruits. So inside fruits I want to create mango, comma, apple. Okay, and so here I'm taking animals. So inside animals I'm creating dog and cat. And here I'm taking phones, mi, redmi, realme, and close the brackets. So here what I'm going to do here, I want to create a directory first, test. Under this test directory I want to create fruits and animals and phones directories. Inside these fruits there should be two directories, mango and apple, and inside animals two directories I have created, dog and cat, and inside phones I have created Redmi, Realme, and uh, Sony and Vivo. So these are all directories I want to create. Okay, let's see inside test directory what is there. So there is, these all case sensitive. So you have to provide exact name. If it is capital letters, you have to give capital letters. If it is a small letter, you have to give small letters as well. See, I have a, so inside test I have few directories. So what are all there? Okay. So here I forgot to give slash. So that is why it is created like that. Okay. Let me remove. Why is these all created? So the command is not installed tree command. Now try it. Okay. So inside test we have a animals. Inside animals we have cat and dog and fruits also there. And inside fruits apple and mango is there. And inside phones these are all there. And extra these all created. Okay. Why they are created? Okay, I didn't remove them before. Okay, it is inside test. So now the phone's entire phones is removed. Okay, only these two are there. Let me rerun the command again. So now I should get phones, and inside phones these all directories should create. See now phones directory is created and other directories created as well. So earlier I have created so I forgot to mention slash here. So if you forget to mention slash here, it will take entire. So this is as one name, and again phones Realme is one name, and phones Sony is one name, and phones Vivo is one directory. So these all depend on the syntax. So if you're if you're not giving proper syntax, it will not create properly. So you have to remember all those things. See, you have to mention slash properly where you want to mention slash, where you want to mention open brackets or closed brackets. So these all you have to remember, and the commas as well. So this is how you'll create a multiple files and directories. So you can create files as well using touch command inside this particular directory also. So I want to create a file inside test and inside fruits. So I'm giving grapes again. It is created. Okay, let me run tree command again. See here inside fruits, grapes also there. Earlier you can see apple and mango directories. I have created one file here inside fruits. So the file also created. So this is how you'll create a file as well. So you have to know where, the location, exact location. So where are you now and where you want to create. So you have to know properly. So where is the directory path? So I want to go inside Vivo directory. So where it is inside test, inside phones directory, it is there. So how will you go test phones? So now here Vivo is there. Can go. inside Vivo as well. So here also you can give directly mention, or else you can go inside phones and you can check what are all directories are there. So I want to go Vivo directory inside, right? So you can go inside Vivo directory by using cd command. Okay. This is the current working directory. And in Linux, every file start from parent directory or root directory. So don't think root directory means this is a root directory. So this is also root directory. So I'm talking about this parent directory. It is the root directory for all directories. Slash is the root directory for all directories. So inside slash root, there is a test directory I created, and inside test directory there is another directory which is called phones, and inside phones there is a Vivo directory. So you can give full path or full path or absolute path, or you can provide relative path as well. Relative path starts from current directory, full path starts from slash. So in the same way you could see, so same command I am running here. So instead of test, I'm giving slash test. Okay. See, inside slash test I have these directories. So before they are created under slash root, now they are created under slash itself. You're getting my point, right? If you go cd slash test, so what is my present working directory? Under slash test I have created. So I have three directories, or here I have three directories. Where are these? Inside slash root. I want to go animals. See, what is my current working directory? Slash test slash animals. So there is a difference where you are creating. So earlier I have created inside slash root directory. Okay. So slash test will be available under slash root. Now I have created it under slash itself. Now check tree command slash test command slash root slash test. See, so these are all directories I have created separately. So one directory I have created under slash root, this test directory, and one more type is I have created inside slash itself under not slash root. So you can create wherever you want, but you should know where you created, how we can go inside that particular directory. Suppose if you want to go to inside doc directory and you want to go path slash root slash test, not directly slash test. Okay, I will go slash root inside test. Where is the doc directory? Inside animals directory there is a doc directory. So this is how you will go. Same doc directory, I don't want to go inside slash root test, so I want to go slash test. So using this directory I want to go inside doc directory. Okay, now we will mention slash test animals doc. You can check pwd. So this is inside slash test animals and doc. So here inside slash root another test directory is there, inside animals and dog is there. So this is how you need to remember where you are creating and how to move to inside that directory. So by practicing you will get to know these all things. Okay, but where are you, where is you, um, so whenever you are giving any command, so what is that command does, and what is this command used for, and what is this command will do, you should know. Then only you will able to understand what you are doing. Understanding? Everyone getting my point?
Oh,
Yes.
Understood difference, right? These two difference. So nothing is there. First I created test directory under slash root. Later I created test directory inside slash itself. Okay. Inside top level directory I have created. Nothing, there is no much difference on this. So wherever you create, the directory will be created there only. It will not moving to other locations or somewhere. So you have to know where you created and how we need to go inside the directory. Okay. Now let's see what is that next copy command, right? So the syntax is here copy source. So to copy a file from one location to another location, you will use source file and the destination file. So we have to know two things here, right? So which file you want to copy and where you want to copy. So these two things you should know. Then only you can copy, right? So you have one file. Okay, I want this file. I want I want to copy this file into some other location. So you should know where you want to copy. That is destination location. So where you want to copy, this is the destination location, and what is the file you want to copy, so this is the source location. So this is a normal method. It will ask confirmation because you are not providing any option for this copy. So it will ask, are you want to copy, or so it will just ask confirmation. So do you want to copy or not? So we have to give yes command. It will ask confirmation. Now I'm giving F. Forcefully I'm copying a file now. This is also same, but we are giving option -F. -F for forcefully we are copying a file. Source file, destination file. So it will, without confirmation, file will copy. So if you provide -F option, so it won't ask any confirmation. Okay, so do you want to copy or it will give some prompt to yes or no. So here if you give -f, it won't ask anything because you are using -f option, which is for forcefully. -f stands for, so you are copying forcefully, then it won't ask anything. Let's see how we'll do that. Okay, so I have many files here, so I want to copy one file into another file. Let's take it. So I have some data inside the ring. Okay, inside ring file I have some data. I'm checking inside Anil any data is there or not. So inside Anil file there is no data inside it, right? There is no content inside it. So I want to copy this ring file data into Anil file. Okay, let's do that. Ring and Anil. See, it is overwrite Anil. See, whatever data inside Anil, everything will be overwrite. If it is, if any data is there inside Anil file directory, so it will overwrite and it will copy inside whatever this ring file having, this data will copy it into the Anil file. So you want to overwrite? Yes. Just give Y, that means yes. Now check it. So see, Anil also having same data. So the data is copied from ring file to Anil file. So this is how you will copy. Okay. So I don't want to ask any confirmation. I want to copy directly. Okay. So inside OMC file, I have I have some data. This is data added using single greater than. Okay. So OMC file having some data. Let's see. I want to copy this Anil's data into OMC file. So how to do copy? CP command is used for copying, and this time I don't want to ask anything. So yes or no, are you overwrite this particular file, or are you trying to copy? I don't want to hear any questions from it. So I just want directly copy. So I'm using here forceful option -f and from Anil to OMC. Okay, it is still asking. Let me give or okay, fine. So for anything it is asking. Maybe it is getting changed for this latest version. So earlier, if you see, removing file. So they didn't mention file copy, okay. But earlier it is like if you give -f, it won't ask anything. But for now, for latest version, it got changed, I think. So if you are using F or RF, anything, it will ask the confirmation whether you want to copy the file or copy the data or not. So copying file, it will ask definitely, I think, if it will ask confirmation. So whatever option if you use, it will ask yes or no. It may be not ask for older versions. Let me check that. So this is chargeable. If you want to use old version, they will charge some amount. Okay, that is not very important, but it is good. So if you are using copy command to copy the data from one file to another file, so it will ask confirmation. So the old data will be removed. So also like overwriting. It's not only copying, it will overwrite into the destination file. And if you're using forceful option or recursive forceful option, -r for recursive. So if you use both options also, still it is asking confirmation. So that means in latest version, it will ask confirmation, whatever reason it is. So it will ask confirmation. It won't directly do the copy. Directly, it will not copy the data into the destination file. Let's see. This is a file to file. So I'm copying from one file to another file. Okay, now so I want to copy this file into another directory. So I want to store this file into suppose I have directory here Lakshmi, right? So no data available inside Lakshmi directory. So but it is where it is inside slash root. I have a directory called sorry I have file called Lakshmi. Inside slash root directory I have file called Lakshmi. So I want to copy this file into where inside ABC3 directory. So inside ABC directory, I want to copy this file. So first, source location, where it is. So you can mention in a two ways. One is /root /file name. So this is how this is how you can mention, or directly you are already inside /root, right? So you can mention file name as well. So both ways will work. So if you give full path, start from slash. So this is how also you can give. So you are already inside /root. So if you are mentioning or if you don't mentioning also no problem. And the destination where you want to copy this Lakshmi directory. So inside ABC3 directory, I want to copy it. So this is also same. So I'm already inside, already inside /root. So you can give ABC3 directly also, or you can give full path also. So inside ABC3, I want to copy this file. See, it is copied. How will you check it? So using ls command, you can check it. ABC3. See, inside ABC3, I have one directory and Lakshmi file also there. So it is copied inside ABC3 directory. Let's see, let's copy another files. So I want to copy this file 1, file 2 and file 4 inside this MSG directory. MSG directory. How will you copy? So first you need to decide, okay, what are all source file, which are all source files I want to copy. So first you need to know that. So I want to copy file 2 and file 4. Okay, file 2, where is file 2 location? So file 2 location is under /root, file 2 is there. So I'm already inside /root, so no need to give /root. Directly I can go with the relative path instead of full path. So I'm giving directly here file 4, and where I want to copy inside MSG directory. So I'm giving MSG3. Okay, sorry, MSG. So these two files will copy into this MSG directory now. Now check MSG. See, now these two files inside MSG it is there. So first you have to give source file name, source file location, and where you want to copy. Destination, some directory, inside some directory you want to copy, right? So you have to give destination directory. So then these files will copied into MSG directory. And now, so we have seen file to file, how to copy data from one file to another file, and how to copy files from one location to another location, and the destination is directory. So how can I do copying files into directory? So this is how we'll do copying files into directory. Now we'll see how to copy directories to in directories. So I want to copy few directories from one location to another location. Suppose directory 1 and directory 2 and directory 3. These three directories I want to copy into another directory which is ABC5. Okay, how can I do that? DAR1, DAR2, DAR3. So these three directories I want to copy into ABC5. So source directories I already given. So I want to give now destination where I want to copy. So inside ABC5. So destination directory should so whatever directory you are giving last, so that it will take that as a destination directory. So what are all directories you are providing before last directory? These all source directories, source location directories. So now you can see here it is giving some error. So cp-r not specified, omitting directory. So if you are copying a directory, you should use -r. Then only it will allow to copy. Now let's check it. ABC5 any directory is copied or not. So no directory is there because you didn't use option -r. Let's use -r option. So -r stands for recursive. Recursively you are copying these all directories into another directory. See, now it's not giving any error. Now check it ls abc5. See, inside abc5 I have three directories which are directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. All three directories copied. So this is how you will copy file to directories, and directory to directories. This is how we will copy. Any doubt till now?
No.
Sapna, Nalakshmi.
No.
Okay. So this is how we'll copy. Now we'll do move, we'll know about move command. So
సిపిఆర్విఎఫ్పి కూడా అంతే కదా ఆర్లాగే కదా.
V for verbose, F for forcefully, P for preserve the permissions. So this is all you can use it. So R for verbose means it will show output as well. While copying, it will show the output. Let's use that RVF. So RV you can use it. It will show some output, verbose output. Now I'm just copying ABC5, ABC6 into 123 directory. So now I'm copying these two directories inside this 123 directory. Okay. See here it is showing some output. So we are using V option. V means verbose the output. So it will provide the output like how to how it is copying from source to destination. So it will give the output. Okay. So first ABC3 it is copying into one inside 123. Then inside ABC there is one more directory is there, so that is also copying into 123. And so ABC6 directory also copying into 123. So all the files, for what are all files and what are all directories, subdirectories, everything it will give. So how many directories it is copying and what are all directories it is copying, it will just verbose. So inside ABC5 there are three directories. So that is why it is giving all three directories are copying inside ABC5 as well, along with ABC5, and ABC6 also copying. So we are provided these two directories should copy inside 123. So F we can use it. It's like same output only. Even if you use P option also, preserve the permissions. And so preserve the permissions means what are all permissions it is having, this ABC5 and ABC6. So everything will be same once you copied inside this 1 2 3 also, it should be same. That is the meaning of it. RVFP. Okay, it is already copied, right? It's not giving anything. Now let me do for other directories. Copy ABC5 1 2 3, and now I want to copy these all inside dir 8. Okay, so these two directories I am copying inside dir 8. Okay, dir 8. So here I am using rvfp option. Okay, so these all options I'm using. R for recursive, V for verbose, and F for forceful, and P for preserve the permissions. So these two directories I want to copy into inside this dir8. See now, so ABC5. So ABC5 contains these all directories. So everything it will show. So along with ABC, inside ABC also some other directories are there. So it will show verbose means if you use V option, it will show all the files, what are all files, what are all directories copying. So everything it will show in a detailed manner. So inside 1 2 3 you have ABC5, and inside ABC5 you have few more directories. So all those things will be copied. dir8. Let's see what are all files and directories are there inside dir8. See here, it is copied. So these are all options, you can use it. Okay, so now we'll move into move command. So move also, it's like a same only. First you have to give source file and destination file. So this is how it will move from one location to another location. Or so if you give both files, it is moving data. Okay, so here this is my source file. I want to move this file inside this file, destination file. So everything, the data will get moved inside this particular file. Then the source file will be deleted automatically. Since here we are copying, we are just copying, copy paste we are doing, right? So source files also available once we do copy. But when we are doing mv command, when we are moving this to into another file, so this will get moved and it is no longer available. The source file will be get deleted. And if you want to move directories, you have to use -r option. Okay, recursively you need to move, then only it will allow. So this is source directory name, and this is destination directory name. So this is how you will move directories. So this directory will move into this particular directory, and once it is moved, it will get deleted. There is no source directory. So you are moving from one location to another location. So once it is moved, it is moved. It will be not available on the source level. Understood, right? This is cut and paste. So copy is copy and paste, and this is cut and paste. In Windows will do, right? So in the same way. So these all like if the destination directory is available, if the destination file is available. So this we call it as a move. And if destination file is not there, you are giving a new file name. So that is like you are renaming the file name, renaming and moving. So while doing practical, you can understand. Okay. See, I have many files. Suppose I'm taking Red Hat 1, move Red Hat 1. So I want to move this directory, sorry, this file into Anil file. Okay. So again, if we use move also, it will overwrite destination file. Whatever the data inside Red Hat 1, it will copy it into Anil, and Red Hat 1 will be removed, and the data, entire data will be moved into Anil file. So let's see. So Anil having some data. Okay. So now do Red Hat. I'm just using options as well. We'll see whether it is ask anything confirmation or not. See, now it is not asking any confirmation. But when we are doing copy, it is asking confirmation, right? So now it didn't ask any confirmation if I use F option. So F1F stands for why will use F option? It is forcefully we are moving the data. So now we'll see Anil file will have any data or not. Since it is a overwriting, it will not have any data. So everything will be removed from Anil. Whatever data inside Red Hat 1, it is getting copied. Inside Red Hat 1, we don't have any data. So that is why nothing is there inside the Anil. Okay. So whatever data available in the source file, everything will move into destination file. And the destination, inside destination file, any existing data is there means everything will be removed. Only whatever data inside source file, that will get moved into destination file. Now let me take another example. So we have a ring file having some data, and cat red hat 2. So red hat 2, nothing, it don't have any data, right? So now I want to move all the data inside ring into red hat 2. Okay, so now I'm not using -F option, so it should ask confirmation. Okay, so overwrite red hat 2. Okay, overwrite. So I don't have any data inside red hat 2, but I do have a data inside ring. So everything, whatever data is inside ring file will move into red hat 2. Okay, yes. Now red hat 2. Now see, so earlier red hat 2 file, it's having nothing, no data is there inside red hat 2 file. Now you could see Red Hat 2 file having some data. So where is this data comes from? Because I have moved rings data into Red Hat 2. So this ring file will get moved. Moved means it is deleted. All the data will move into destination file, which is Red Hat 2. So earlier Red Hat 1, Red Hat 1 is moved into Anil. So from Red Hat 1 is not available. So now Red Hat 1 and ring both should not appear, right? See, you could see Red Hat 1 is not there, and one more is what? Ring. You could see ring also is not there. So these two files moved already, moved into some other directories. So this is how we will do move from one file to another file. Let's do for directories. So now I want to move this file into another directory. Same source location and destination. Move Red Hat to and the destination location where I want to copy inside 123. See, it is moved. So if you give ls, Red Hat 2 will not available. Red Hat 2 file not available here. See, Red Hat 2 is not there. If you search inside 123 directory, it is available since we moved Red Hat 2 file inside 123. See, it is there. Let's move file 1, file 5, Red Hat 3. So all these three files I want to move into test2 directory. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay, sorry, here space I have given. Okay, these two files already moved. So when I ran this command, okay, so it will move all these files. File 5 is available, it is already moved. Red Hat 3, it is available, already moved into slash test2. But one, no file is available with the name 1. So that is why it is giving an error, no such file or directory. And no file is available with the name file. So no file is there, right? All files are like file 1, file 2. So that is why here error it was given. And remaining two already moved. So once they are moved, it is not available in this location. So I have ran again same command. So that is why it is showing file 5 and Red Hat 3, no such file or directory. Because they are already moved. When I ran this, they already moved into test2. And now only file 1 is moved. See, file 1 you didn't get any error here. Now if you see inside test2, you should able to see all three files. Okay, all three files are now moved into test2 directory. This is how you will copy files into directories. Now I want to copy, sorry, this is how we will move files into directories. Now I want to move directories. Move dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4, dir5. So all these directories I want to move into Amara directory. Okay, Amara. Okay, see now it was moved. If you give ls, now directory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are not there. So they are moved into inside Amara directory. Let's check it. Ls Amara. See, all these directories, 5 directories are moved into Amra directory. Okay, so this is how we will move directories from one location to another location.